My company, the Debug Store, has been running for over 20 years now, and we provide development tools for electronic design engineers. So we provide them the sort of tools that help them design their own products. We have customers all over the world. I saw there was a need for electronic development tools that previously weren't available in the UK market, which were available in the US and other countries around the world. I thought it would be a good idea to introduce them to the UK market. Zoho is a very customer-centric company, and that's what I like to see myself as well. I'm very keen to make sure that I can provide workable solutions for my customers, just as Zoho does. And since starting to use Zoho, I've found there's a great deal of synergy between our two companies. The biggest change for me has been the introduction of Zoho One. That was an absolutely perfect opportunity for me to have a toolbox full of at least 40 different tools to develop my business. And Zoho Books, the accounting package, is just one of those tools. Zoho Books has an online portal where they can go to check orders they might have placed. They can download invoices. I mean, at the moment I've really just touched the surface, and I'm really excited about moving forward using other tools within the Zoho product range. As an e-commerce business, it's necessary for me to keep sufficient products in stock to fulfill demand. People want things quickly, and I can help them do that. Now that does mean I need to keep large stocks of items, and currently with the development tools that I'm selling, I have a stock of over 3,000 different items. It's important, especially when it comes to people placing orders, that I know where those items are, because otherwise it can take a lot of time rummaging through boxes trying to find stuff, which is not very professional. It wastes a lot of time. So Zoho Inventory allows me to keep track of which box, on which shelf, on which rack, and in which room that particular product is stored. So I can go instantly to it and pick it out. Now that sort of functionality is usually missing from most other accounting packages, and I found that very frustrating in the past. Zoho seemed to fit the bill, so I thought, okay, well I'll buy a Zoho license for a year and we'll run with that. And I've never looked back since, really. Once you get into Zoho CRM, you find out about all the other products. It just feels like a breath of fresh air, really. You come across all these wonderfully new features that you never dreamt you could actually use to improve the profitability of your company, but are there just waiting to be used. Another massive benefit of Zoho is that I can work where I choose, at times that I choose. I can access my Zoho applications from my mobile phone, and that really does free me up. It's very important for me to optimize the way I work. I need to have smooth workflows in order to save time and to be more efficient in the way that I work. If I have a problem, I've got email support from them, I can do online chat, I can also phone them up, and they're more than willing to log onto my PC and help me through some of the more trickier things which many other companies just don't provide. Or if they do provide it, they provide it at a very high cost. Zoho includes that support within their whole package, which is peace of mind for me. It's brilliant. I feel that nothing really is going to stop me in the future from developing forward, and that's really down to Zoho. Zoho gives me a great deal of peace of mind. Not only does it support the business that I have at the moment, but I feel confident that as my business grows, Zoho is going to be there and provide that support for me. I would have to admit now that I am very reliant on Zoho. Zoho is a perfect tool for running my business. It's solved so many of the problems I've had in past years, trying to get various bits of software to integrate together. I couldn't really run my business without Zoho today. It would be a lot less efficient and it would be considerably more expensive. I have a lot of faith in Zoho. I would say it's a revolutionary company, and it deserves to have a considerably larger customer base than it has at the moment. Look at it. Take on board what it's got to offer and give it a try, and you'll soon be hooked, like I am.